Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're building a website on Wix and want more control over your site's layout, you're in the right spot. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the height of a section on your Wix site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make any section fit your content perfectly, whether you want it tall and spacious or compact and tidy. This small change can have a big impact on how your site looks and feels, making it more professional and easier for visitors to navigate. Alright, let's get started. First things first, head into your Wix editor and locate the section you want to adjust. Maybe it's an introduction area with a hero image or a services section with a list. No matter which section you're working with, you'll want to click on it to select it. You'll know you've chosen the right thing when you see the little blue outline pop up around the area. Now, here's the simplest way to change the height. Just hover your mouse over the corner or the bottom edge of the section. You should notice that your cursor changes to a drag icon, usually a little double-sided arrow. All you need to do is click and drag, pull downwards to increase the height and push upwards to shrink it down. Think of it kind of like stretching or compressing a piece of paper to better fit what you're putting on it. This is especially handy if you've just added more text, images, or elements and need some extra breathing room, or if you want to eliminate empty space for a more streamlined look. Take your time with this step. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it exactly how you want it. Wix's drag-and-drop editor is very forgiving, so nothing's set in stone until you're happy. If you find that you're only able to adjust the height so far and it's not quite precise enough, I've got another approach for you. If you're looking for a more exact adjustment, head over to the Inspector pane. You can find this by clicking the section and looking on the right-hand side of your editor window. The Inspector pane gives you precise controls over your section's size and position. Find the field labeled Height. This is where you can type in an exact value for how tall you want your section to be. For example, maybe you want your section to be exactly 600 pixels tall instead of eyeballing it. Just type in the number and Wix will snap your section to that height instantly. Sometimes, using the Inspector pane is super helpful if you're trying to keep the look of your site really consistent, especially if you have several sections and want them to be the same height. It's a bit like lining up photo frames on a wall so that everything matches. Details like this can make your website feel more polished. Remember, the changes you make here are totally customizable, so feel free to experiment until you find the look that fits your needs. And don't worry if you don't get it perfect right away. You can always go back and tweak your sections later as your content evolves. That's all there is to it, just a few clicks and you can completely adjust the feel of your Wix site's layout. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want help with a trickier section. Make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on more Wix tips and easy-to-follow website tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.